Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you buy smarter, not harder. Today, we have a showdown that's hotter than your ex's mixtape. It's the Bissell Steam Mop versus the Kenmore SM2050 2-in-1 Steam Mop. Spoiler alert. No pets were harmed in the making of this video, but a few germs might be. Let's dive right in. Let's kick things off with the price. The Bissell Steam Mop is priced at $102, which some reviewers consider reasonable given its performance. They appreciate its lightweight design and effectiveness in cleaning various surfaces. In contrast, the Kenmore SM2050 is more budget-friendly at $89, making it an appealing option for those looking to save a few bucks without compromising on cleaning power. Reviewers have noted that the Kenmore performs well for its price, making it a solid choice for budget-conscious buyers. Now, let's talk about sanitization. The Bissell claims to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria, and many users have praised its ability to keep their homes clean and sanitized, especially those with pets. However, the Kenmore also boasts the same 99.9% effectiveness against dust and germs. Reviewers have noted its efficiency in cleaning tough messes, making it a reliable choice for families with kids and pets alike. Next, we have versatility. The Bissell Steam Mop has a 12-inch cleaning path and is excellent for hard floors, but some users feel it's limited for carpet cleaning. On the other hand, the Kenmore SM2050 is a 2-in-1 steam mop that can handle hard floors and carpets, which has earned it high praise among reviewers for its versatility. They love that it can tackle sticky messes and has multiple attachments for different cleaning tasks. Let's get steamy. The Bissell offers high and low steam settings, which users appreciate for different cleaning needs. Reviewers have found these settings helpful for various surfaces. The Kenmore also provides 2 steam levels, but some users have reported that it doesn't produce steam as effectively as expected for floor cleaning. This has led to mixed feelings about its steam performance, especially when compared to the Bissell. Finally, ease of use is crucial. The Bissell features a 25-foot power cord, allowing for extended reach, but lacks automatic cord rewind, which some users find inconvenient. In contrast, the Kenmore has swivel steering for easy maneuverability, which many reviewers love. However, it has a shorter cord, and some have found the handheld option less effective for certain tasks. Overall, both have their pros and cons in this category. In summary, the Bissell Steam Mop is highly regarded for its effectiveness and ease of use, especially among pet owners. Reviewers commend its lightweight design and reliable cleaning capabilities. Meanwhile, the Kenmore SM2050 garners mixed reviews. While it is appreciated for its versatility and budget-friendly price, some users have encountered issues with steam production and customer service. So which steam mop reigns supreme? If you're looking for a budget-friendly, versatile cleaning machine, the Kenmore SM2050 comes out on top. But if you're all about that Bissell life and want to support pet foundations while you clean, then Bissell's got your back. In the end, it's all about what you need. Whether you're a steam mop enthusiast or just trying to keep your floors from looking like a disaster zone, we've got you covered. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below which steam mop you think is the best. And remember, when in doubt, buy smart.